Guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get power to level up your conveyor progress for the Christmas quest in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have already joined the game, and when you go to the center island, you will find this board. And here is the explanation to get power. You can get power by claim the daily event, complete the quest, and also fight in the Christmas invasion. Okay, I'm going to show you the first method. You just need to claim the daily event. You can go to this area, guys, and I have already claimed for the day 1. Okay, and for the day 2, it will be resetted after 18 minutes. Okay, so I need to wait for 18 minutes left. And after that, we can claim the daily event and we will get power or XP. And the next one, you can go to this conveyor power, and then you will see quest or missions, and you can complete the mission or the quest to get power. And the last one, you can join the Christmas invasions. Wait, let me go back to my garden, and then we will see the Christmas invasion right here, guys. Okay, we need to defeat the Christmas invasions to get conveyor power. And I have already fight in the Christmas invasions. So I need to wait 3 hours. 4 hours, for about 4 hours to get ticket for the next invasions. Okay, and after you get the ticket, you can start the Christmas invasion or Christmas missions. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get power to complete the Christmas quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!